Today we're going to see which cubes are better, Rubik's or speed cube. So, speed cube's over here, and this over here for Rubik's. So what do you want to be, a Rubik's or speed cube?
Rubik's.
Okay, so then I'll be speed cube.
Okay.
So first, we're going to start littlest to biggest. So we're going to start with the 2x2. You swim one, I'll swim one. The Rubik's 2x4 is also called the Rubik's Mini, which is just the corners of a 3x3.
What if I forget how to solve it?
You know how to solve it. So inspect for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Okay, ready, set, go. You still use that method?
I just use what I know.
Okay, my time was 32 seconds.
Okay, I lost.
So, speed cube has 1 point, and Rubik's has 0.
Okay.
So now we're going to start on 3x3s.
Alright.
So, usually I loved the Rubik's when I got the speed cube more because it was too fast and slippery. But now I like the speed cube better. And you better not corner twist on that.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What if I do?
I'm watching you. You do. You corner twist?
Nope. Ready, go.
We forgot to inspect.
No inspecting.
That's what you do at cubing competitions.
No, that makes it too easy.
You have to inspect
Why?
because you have to look at the cube and know what you do.
Why don't you just go for it?
I mean, you could. Better to inspect.
I think it's better to just go for it.
I mostly inspect the cross,
Oh yeah.
but I'm already done with the first layer.
There you are.
Yup.
How'd you do that so fast?
That's because I have a speed cube. You shouldn't have picked speed. Actually, I think we should do 2 rounds on the Rubik's 2x2 and 2 rounds on the 3x3. I'm on yellow cross. My favorite algorithm time. Okay. Oh my god! Dang it, I didn't start the timer. I thought I did it in 32 seconds. I missed my time.
That's funny. Funny.
Hey.
What? I might win.
Clarity
You
won.
don't have an official time.
I'm just timing mine because I want to.
You don't have I might win because you don't have an official time.
Well, you don't have the official time either.
Well, here, I have an official time.
It just started.
Yeah, that would be my official time. Wait, are you tampering with my clock?
No.
I think you're tampering with my clock.
I don't even know what tampering is.
Stop touching me with your sticky cold toes. It's like frogs. Stop it.
Oh. Oh. Stupid. You just started cubing last month. Yes. You don't even cube. Do you cube?
You even cube, bro?
Dude, you don't
even cube, bro? Bro, do you even cube?
I cube, but you don't.
Do you even cube, bro?
Dude, you solve Rubik's cubes, but you don't cube. Stupid.
Alright. 30 seconds.
You did not get
My official time.
You did not get that. So he sucks. Now it's time for the 4x4, but we're not going to solve the 4x4. We're not going to solve the 4x4 because we don't know how to solve the 4x4, but for some reason...
Well, I know how to solve the centers.
Yeah, but we're not doing that because I don't know how to do that either.
I figured that out.
But instead, what we're going to do is see how fast we can do 12 turns on this Rubik's Cube. Hey!
Cold, sticky toes are on me.
We're going to see how... So I have 2 points, you have 0. And we're going to see how fast we can do 12 turns on the Rubik's Cube. Just like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, you have to do it on
See how fast I did them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So...
I'm super fast.
No. Like, look at this. This is going to be your start.
Yeah.
And you have to loop this all over 3 times.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That was 2 loops. Okay, so let's start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Got it.
10. You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Show me.
You gotta say go.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's cheating. I win that one. You have 0, I have 3. You cheated. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to do this all over again to see if you get another chance. Because actually, since you have Rubik's, I'll give you 2 points if you get a win.
Really?
Yep.
Seems
So I have 3
generous.
points, and you have 0. So let's just scramble up the 2x2s again.
Wait, we're going back to the 2x2s?
Yeah, we're going to do this all over again.
All over again?
Yeah, because it was short.
What do you mean it was short?
It was short.
Your video is almost 10 minutes long.
It's not. Okay. Well, fine. I guess that's it. Well, who think won? Who think?
Who do I think won?
Yeah.
Well, for sure it was me, because I solved this one. I spun this one around 12 times super fast.
Wrong.
And
I solved all these cubes before. I think you should lose. But y'all decide who wins.
alright, out.